Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I am Rebecca, and today we're going to make the Bend wallet. It's just a simple, cute little wallet that bends. You're able to put your cards in there. It's just very minimal, but it's fun. It takes just a few minutes to make, and good to go. So let's get started. The supplies you'll need are some vinyl. I have it cut at 3.5 by 8 for my main back, and my two pocket pieces I have cut at 4 by 3.5. And I have a lining. I'm going to line it, so I have that cut the same as the main 3.5 by 8. These are optional pieces. Some faux fold over elastic, snap tabs, and our Velcro you can use to make it close. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step on the machine is a placement step. I'm going to run that right now, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. Okay, here's the placement step. Now what you want to do is take your pocket piece and line it right up on the placement line, like so. I'm going to tape it and secure it down so it doesn't wiggle in the machine, and it will tack that down. That's the first step. We're going to work on the left, and then we'll do the same thing for the right. So we'll do that right now. Okay, the left side is tacked on. Let's do the same for the right side pocket. Just line it up to that placement, secure it, and run the next step in the machine. Okay, now that the pockets are tacked on, you have the choice now if you want to use faux for a little tab, to hold a key ring, or you can add a vertical snap tab that I have, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. On the back side of your hoop, you also have these little placement steps for if you want to use snaps. I'm going to use some snaps, so I'm going to just poke my holes right now and get that out of the way. That way I know they're kind of in the right place. Do not leave your snaps in there, because the machine won't go around one of those. So if you try to be smart and be like, ooh, let me just add my snaps now, like I did at one time, your machine doesn't like the prongs sticking up, and it will catch your machine. So this is how we test things, to see if things work or whatever. Anyways, so I'm going to use this fold over piece of elastic, and what you want to do is you want to put your lining down first, and you want your either tab. If you're going to use a vertical tab, you're going to want to put that in between the lining and the main back so it doesn't show or catch. But I'm not using a tab. This is just for reference. So I'm going to go ahead and tape that to the center. Try to, anyways, just line it up where you want it to be. You could put it over here, anywhere you want, but I'm going to do it right there. So you have your lining, your tab, and now you want your back main piece. Be sure it covers all of the placements. I'm going to secure it with tape, and then the next step on the machine is just a center line. It's like a spine. It may or may not help your vinyl to fold better. You can run it if you want, or skip it altogether. I'm going to go ahead and run it. It's just going to make a little spine for me. So I'm going to do that now, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I just ran the spine. It's just going to leave a line there. So the last step on the machine is going to sew it all together. And we're almost finished. Okay, now that it's all sewn together, we're done almost. Go ahead and remove from your hoop and clean up the stabilizer, and We use tearaway so we can have pockets. So what you want to do is just kind of grab your little pocket and it tears away, and now you can clean up your stabilizer, and we'll trim the little notch. And I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. Okay, so now that it's all trimmed up, nice and neat, this is where you could use Velcro and put here so it closes up nicely. I'm going to use tabs, and I'm going to show you how I do it. If y'all have a better way, please tell me. Write them in the comments or whatever. But take your prong end and just guide it through to where you poked that hole earlier. And see if we can get it right where we need it. And there it is. And there we have our hole poked through, and I'm just going to set it with this little hand setter that I use. I just go all the way through. There. Should be set. Good to go. Little indentation there, but you're going to get that anyways after wear and tear when you're using your cute little wallet. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side just like I did this one, and then we're all finished. Isn't it cute? Okay, so my snaps are on now on both ends, and see how easy it is? Put a little card in there. I was able to get 3 on each side and have it close pretty good. But this is just a quick, just minimal card holder. Not for 20 cards, but be a cute little gift for gift cards to stores or whatever. But there it is. It's cute. Anyways, this beautiful vinyl. I love butterflies. Anybody who knows me knows I have a thing for butterflies. But Sweet Tea Stitches, she carries a lot of butterfly vinyl that I use. So to find it, just check out our website. Anyways, here you go. Thank you so much for watching.